Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are just going to be start about the how we can find the volume of the 3D shapes. We know that if you have a 2D shape, so we have to find the area. But here we have the 3D shapes. Obviously, we have different types of 3D shapes. We have a cube, we have cuboid, we have cone, we have cylinder. We are going to be discuss it into one by one. But in the today we are just going to be go to a very specific point of view. We have to be discuss about the different types of shape. Okay, the first one is the very first type that we need to be discussed, that is prism shapes. The prism shapes are the shapes in which the cross-sectional area is throughout is going to be same. Yes, which shapes are prism shapes that have the same cross-sectional area. Let's we have to discuss about uh, how what is cross-sectional area. We have to check it in the figure. Before we have to go for that one, we have to be write the formula for the volume. For example, if you have know that the given shape is a prism shape, so we have to be find the volume. The volume will be equal to cross-sectional area multiplied by height. Let's say I have to check that which shapes are going to be in the prism shapes. So let's say I have to take it here. All right. Now we have the first shape, that is cube. All right. If, for example, if you had to let that this front area is the cross sectional, so this will be the height of the cube. And we know that is in a cube we have all the sides are equal, means the length or the breadth or the height of all the sides are going to be equal in the cube. All right. So if you have to be cut the shape from any place, let's say you have to cut it like here or here. So in throughout, when you have to be cut it, you are going to be getting the same type of square, right? Yes, I mean it is clear. If you have to be cut it from the middle, so you are going to be cut the same type of square, right?
Yes.
Means this area is throughout going to be same, exactly the same. If you have to take it, I have to extend the back length, it is going to look like this. This area is going to be exactly the same. So this is a shape in which you have the cross-sectional area is going to be throughout the same. So this type of shapes are known as prism shapes. In this one, if you need to be find the volume of the shape, you just have to multiply the cross-sectional area multiply by height. And we know that in this one, the cross-sectional area is basically, let's say it is the length, it is the width, and it is going to be the height. So cross-sectional area is length multiplied by width because it is a square, and obviously length and width is going to be same, and multiply by height. They are same, you can write it as L square as well. Yes, it is clear. This is the main formula.
Yes.
You didn't need to be memorize the second one because we have to use this one for all types of shapes, that is the prism shapes.